Finally, Seedance 2.5 is out, and I'm going to show you how you are going to use Seedance 2.5 for free. A lot of people don't know that you can use Seedance 2.5 for free. Let me show you how you are going to do it right now. And it is not only Seedance 2.5. You can use Seedance 2.0. You can use Seedance 2.1. In fact, any of the AI model you want to use for free, I'm going to show you how you are going to get access to it in less than 1 minute. I also tried it out and I was able to generate this video you are seeing right here. Let me play the video so that you guys are going to watch the video and see the video before I show you how you are going to get access to Seedance 2.5 or Seedance 2.0. Let's get started. Now you see that video you just watched right now. I created that video with Seedance 2.5. So let me show you how you are going to use Seedance 2.5 and create videos like this. First of all, let me show you how you are going to get access to $AI on your mobile phone, and also I'm going to show you how you are going to get access to it on your laptop or on your desktop. So on your mobile phone, if you are using Android phone, just go to Google Play Store. And if you are using iPhone, go to Apple Store and you go and search for $AI. Then just search for dollar and you are going to see the AI tool like this. This one you are seeing right here. It is the one that you are going to install on your phone. Now, after you install it on your phone, you click on open. And when you click on open, the AI app is going to open. All you need to do is just to register or you log in with your Gmail account. Now, I'll be logging in with my Gmail account. Now, let's click on continue with Google. Now you continue with Google, you log in with your Google account. Now when you log in with your Google account, it's going to open like this. Now when it's open like this is how you are going to see the interface. Now let me show you how you are also going to get access to it using your laptop or your desktop, and how you are going to create video with it. So to use $AI on your laptop or your desktop, all you need to do is to head over to your Google Chrome on your laptop or on your desktop. Just go to Google Chrome and you are going to search for the name of the AI tool. Now when you search for the name, you are going to see it like this. Just go to just search for $AI up on your browser, and when you search for the name, it's going to write out the website for you. Just bring it out. So just go down, you are going to see $AI, not this one that says $AI, your everyday AI assistant. As you can see it here, your everyday AI assistant. You tap on it, and when you tap on it, you register. All you need to do is just to register account with them, and after you register account, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you are going to see something like create video, create image, writing, translate, and homework. So you can also use it to do homework. But right now, first of all, let's create image with it. Let's click on create image. I'm going to show you how you can create image with it, and after we create this image, we are going to turn it to video. Now let's select our model here. As you can see, they have different type of model, 2 different type of model. So let's select this first one, this one below first, and create image with it. And you can also come to style here. As you can see different type of style you want to choose. So for the sake of this video, we are using 3D. So we'll put it on 3D, and after putting it on 3D, we shall paste our prompt of the image we want to generate here. And after pasting our prompt, the next thing we are going to do is just to click on generate. Now after that, as you can see, our image has generated. As you can see, it generates 4 different type of image for us, as you can see. So we can decide to download any one here. So now let's download this one here. I like this one. So just click on download. And when you click on download, the image is going to download to your phone. And we are going to turn this image to video. As you can see, the image is downloaded up here. Now our image is downloaded. So the next thing you are going to do to generate your video, all you need to do is to click on create video here. As you can see, create video below here. Now when you click on create video here, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now the next thing you are going to do is to upload that image you just download right now. And to upload that image, you click on this plus icon here. And after clicking on this plus icon, you are going to see the images here. Now we are going to upload this second one here. This one. This is the one we want to use, and we click on open. Now when you click on open, the next thing you are going to do, the image is going to upload here. And after the image upload, the next thing we click on model here. As you can see, you select this model. Now this is what you are going to see. The different type of Seedance they have. They have Seedance 1.0, they have Seedance 2.0, they also have Seedance 2.5. So we are using Seedance 2.5 to test our video model to generation. Then we'll put it in Seedance 2.5, and after we put it in Seedance 2.5, we paste our master prompt here, and after pasting the prompt, we select the duration here, as you can see. Then we'll put it in 10 seconds, and the next thing we are going to do is to click on generate. And immediately you click on generate. This is our prompt here. As you can see, it says create your cinematic 3D animation videos. So now it's turning this image to video using Dremina Seedance 2.5 model. It will use 4 points. So it is going to generate the video in 5 minutes. So all we need to do is just to wait. Now, after waiting, this is our result. This is our final result here. As you can see, this is the video we just generate right now. So we can download this video to our phone by clicking on download here. And this video is going to download to our laptop. Sorry, I mean to say laptop, not phone, because we are using laptop to do this right now. We click on download and the video is going to download. Now let me play this video so that you guys are going to see how this video look like. Let's play the video. Now this is the video you just watched. Now, as you can see, the video you just watched right now, we created this video for free using Seedance 2.5, using $AI. So right now, you can still use Seedance 2.5 on $AI for free. At the time of making this video, it is still free. As you can see, we generate the image and we turn the image to video for free. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.